Hello, everybody. I trust you're blessed. I trust you're well. This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. Well, guys, I've been trying to, you know, eh, um, increase my capacity to host live sessions on YouTube because sometimes I see setups and I want to share with people, but um, I can't do that because of viewership. The YouTube regulations and stuff like that. But first, let me start by appreciating all of you who have subscribed. I really need to help you guys, even if you're not my students. I'm not necessarily in a place whereby I need to enroll a lot of people. So check this out. As a way of trying to increase my YouTube channel, viewership and my YouTube access on YouTube, I want to host a live session. Some of you guys who have been subscribing and you're watching my videos, I want to help you guys with information about the market. This weekend, I'm gonna host a session whereby I'll be showing you how to create a trading plan. How to have a trading plan that works in line with your approach in the market. And how to build your trading so that you can be consistent. I know sometimes a lot of you guys, you think you know how I trade, but in actual fact, you don't know nothing about how I trade and you don't know nothing about my strategy. So I'm going to share one or two tips on my strategy as well during the session. But then for you to join my free session, I think it's going to be 1 hour or 2 hours long, where I'll be sharing with you guys how to build a trading plan. And also, how to share with you tips on my strategy, basically. But I'm not going to, please, you're not entitled to anything. I'm not going to give you the information that my students access. But it's a way of me sharing information because I appreciate you for viewing my channel. And I want to add more viewers on my channel so that, I'm able to send signals. As you know, we're starting with the Rockstar Challenge this coming week. I've been receiving a couple of emails on that. I'm starting with the Rockstar Challenge this coming week. Basically, I'll be trading with people again. So this time around, my goal is to make $1,000 a day. I've been disciplining myself to do that for the past few weeks. Whether my account is big or small, that's what I want to help people with, making $1,000 a day, $1,000 a day. So all you need to do to join my free session, number one, is you need to subscribe to our channel, which I assume you have already done. And number two, I need you to share any of my YouTube videos on any social network, whether on Instagram, whether on Twitter, whether on Facebook, wherever you are. And after doing that, I need you to send me a screenshot on the WhatsApp number that you are seeing here. This is the WhatsApp number, okay? This is the WhatsApp number. And as soon as you have shared, I need you to take a screenshot of that and then WhatsApp me that screenshot. And then I will add you immediately and you'll be able to access my session. I will send you details, how to log in and stuff like that, how to join live. That's all you need to do. It's free. It's going to be 2 hours. I know it's going to help a lot of you. And as soon as we get to, I think at 10,000 views, I'll be able to have live session on YouTube. I want to be sending signals there as well. Besides the Rockstar Challenge, Rockstar, I've been preparing myself for the Rockstar Challenge because it's going to be big. I want to help my students and everybody else who's willing to be helped, but it's for students mainly. But I'm going to be trying to send signals on YouTube from time to time. But for you to access my channel and access my live trading session where I'll be sharing information, just need to do these 3 things. And then that's it. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours through the Forex Rockstar, signing out.